I can feel the sea from here.
Yeah.
See, we're here, Michael. Just to show you, mate. Right, camera action, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're going down to the blowhole. Oh!
Yeah, look at it coming out.
Yes. Got me wallet? Yes. Got me woman?
Yes.
Yeah, she's a bit ruffled today. She's been riding for a couple of hours now.
And the bike's been going fine.
There's the bikes. Hope they're there when we get back.
Just to show them that there are 2 bikes there and not one.
Yeah. She's got a point there. The blowhole reserve.
Ooh,
That's getting my camera wet. Okay, we'll go down there, babe.
Oh, the sunny's on the land. Can't see.
You what?
Can't see anything.
Whoa!
Listen to it.
Listen to it. Kim's getting scared thinking it's thunder. Thunder down under. Hey?
Get a shot of her. Her dress might blow up.
Oh, wait a minute.
Get a shot of her.
Wait a minute. Get a shot of her. Kim reckons her dress is going to blow up. Bugger. Kiama heights and blowhole. Blowhole, 3.7 kilometres.
Oh, we thought we were here. It's up there.
No, that way. Coast walk. There must be another one, babe. This is the little blowhole. Is it?
I wouldn't say on there.
No. Here you go, the big one.
We could sit there and have a bit of a wash, have a shower.
Oh.
Get
Good enough.
bigger. One more.
One more? One more, she reckons.
Here. Yeah.
Oh, is that the one more?
Oh, unless you're going to get a big one.
Oh, well, what's them waves in your mind? Okay. Right.
Apparently it's the kiama blowhole. This
Right.
is just little blowhole.
Oh, okay. I don't know how to find that one. No, it's 3.7 kilometres.
Oh, we're not walking there.
No, we're not walking there. That's for sure. We're not walking there, good.
No, it's too far to walk.
Struggling up this hill, babe.
I could ride my motorbike up this little path.
No, you couldn't. No, you couldn't. It scared the shit out of you.
As long as I remember to stop at the bottom.
Yeah, that's about it too, isn't it? Rightio. Back at the bikes.
Doing the touristy thing now.
Yeah.